You just landed a meeting with your investor or finished the latest update to your website. Now what? Hi, it's Seto from Render Forest. The reel that you just saw are just some of our app and website presentation templates. As you prepare for your presentation to showcase your new app or website, here are a few things to keep in mind. Number one, do you have high quality images of your new website? Number two, have you planned out the key text and messages that you want to talk about in your presentation? Number three, is your logo up to date? Number four, do you have high quality videos or demos of your app or website? Number five, do you need to adjust or edit your images to fit to tablet size? Once you gather this information and files, your life will be a whole lot easier when it comes to the videos and slideshow editing process. Depending on your presentation setup, it may be better to use a video format to play before or after you get done speaking. Or depending on your setup, it might be better to use a slideshow to demonstrate while you speak. If this is your first time giving a pitch or product presentation, here are a few basics to help. Of course, we have to talk about the elevator pitch. An elevator pitch refers to a brief speech that outlines the idea of a product, service, or project. An elevator pitch gets its name from the notion of giving a speech that is very short, no longer than the time period of an elevator ride, which is about 30 to 60 seconds long. The point of an elevator pitch is to pique the interest of the listener and have them curious to ask more questions, take action, schedule a meeting, or ask for a demo. Small business owners, entrepreneurs, side hustlers, freelancers, and job seekers use the elevator pitch to market themselves and their product or ideas. Next is the tweet pitch. This is an even more concise version of an elevator pitch, and it's called the tweet pitch. The tweet pitch is a variation of the elevator pitch, but it has a constraint of characters versus time. So for the tweet pitch, you have 280 characters versus the time constraint of the elevator pitch. This format of thinking really helps you to boil down your core concepts, and it was developed for more of an online presence, but it's also a good idea to use as a rehearsal for your in-person presentation. Some of you that may be watching are working on an app or website that may not have the opportunity to bring in a physical object to display. That's where a website launch video template comes in to help. Videos and animations help to grab and keep the attention of your audience. If you haven't already seen my video on general presentation skills, you can click the link above. Also up there, I'm going to put some videos that may help you if you need some branding makeover tips. Thanks for sticking with us so far. You can use the code that appears now on your screen during checkout for a discount, but don't wait too long because it's only good for a short time after this video is published. If you have more questions or want to read more about this topic, check out the links down in the description. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and ring that bell for more creative and branding tool tutorials. Thanks, and I'll see you next week.